Happy Friday, you guys. It's Friday, 7:50 right now. I'm waiting for my first order. $20 going 8 mile. And it's 3 drop-off, y'all. 3 drop-off. So I am ready for today. I am ready to make this over $200 today. Let's go. Yo, we are making $200 today. It's 9:13 right now. I just received my second order. $22 going 2 mile, and I'm going to shop for 15 items. So let's go. You guys, let me update you. So before my last order, I have took one and this one. So this one here, my last one was $14, and it was shopping order. And this one is $16, and it's going like 6 mile. So I already shopping for it. So right now, let's go drop it off. Let's go drop it off, y'all. So far it's going good. Right now it's 10, y'all. It's 10. I said 10. No, it's actually 11 o'clock. What? Time is going so fast, y'all. Time is really going so fast. It's 11. Wow. I need to add up the money to see where I am so far, because I'm not adding up my money yet. So after this order, I'm gonna add up to see where I am so far.
We're starting off bad.
Yo, I'm here being on YouTube, social media, waiting for an order. Come to find out, my schedule ended. I had a schedule from, it was 7 to 11:30. So I'm here waiting for an order. I'm like, okay, it's about time to drop an order. I checked. Yo, I was offline. My schedule ended, yo. I don't know how long it ended, but 11:40 right now, yo. I just received another order. $20, and it's going 7 mile. It's 3 drop-off. So I'm waiting for them to bring it out. My pickup time is 11:55. So let's wait, and yeah. Okay, yeah, let's drop our first order. Ooh, how many milks? Oh my God, water. Okay, we have second drop off, yeah, second drop off. I feel like this drop off took me a very long time, but thank God my last drop off is only 4 minutes from here. Gosh, feel like I've been delivering this order forever, y'all. Let's go deliver the last drop off. Since we started January, you guys, this is the only week I am able to get over $500. Yo, oh my gosh. I remember when we started this year, y'all, I made some goals for January. And wow, this is the only week that I'm able to make over $500. The first week of January, when I went to check in my thing, I made like 3 something. The second week of January, I think that was the week that I was off from Spark, because I was off for the whole entire week. And the third week of January, I made like 2 something. And this is the 4th week. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's been slow. Oh wow. That tells me for us human, we can make plans, you guys, and God has his own plans. Wow. So I'm just hoping this upcoming month, yo, this other months, we are going to be busy. We are going to meet our money goals. You know, we're going to meet our daily goals. If your daily goal is 100, stick to it. 150, stick to it. 200, stick to it. 250, stick to it. You know, what I can tell you guys, come to work with the goal, because that's gonna motivate you to keep going, you know, to keep going. That's why for me, I set my daily goal to 200, because over here, I know we can. So if I don't reach that 200, like, it keeps motivating me, like, go ahead, keep going. You know what I mean? Keep going. Yo, I'm feeling too hot right now. This thing needs to go in a ponytail because I'm hot. Like, I'm feeling too hot. Whew. Let me see what degree we're on. I think we're on 60 something, y'all. We're on 60 something. All right, let's take my last order, my last drop off. You guys, every time when I'm delivering, I always have to watch my surroundings. Your girl don't like dogs, so always have to watch my surroundings. All right, let's go. Whew, I'm tired. That was 2 trips. So it's 1:42 right now. 1:42, and let's go get more orders. You guys. It's 2 right now, y'all. It's 2, and I just received an order. I took this order because I want to pause for a little bit, because I need to take my I need to take my daughter to the appointment, so I'm gonna pause for I think 1 hour. So this order is $14. It's 2 miles. It's 2 drop off, and it's only going 2 miles. So so after this order, I'm gonna take a break for I think an hour, go home, eat. Yo, I'm trying to slow down on buying food, because I almost buy food every day, y'all, in the Walmart. Mostly in Walmart. I get something to eat from Walmart. So I'm trying to reduce it. I'm trying to calm down on buying food, and I'm planning to be taking like 30-minute break to go home and eat, you know, because bringing food here is gonna get cold and there's no way to heat it up. So I'm just planning to be going home, to be taking like 30-minute break, go home, eat, and come back. What do you guys do? Let me know what you guys be doing. Like, do you pack your lunch when you come to work? If you're full-time Spark, gig work, do you be buying food? Do you be packing food? Do you be going home and eat and come back? Let me know. Let me know, because your girl is trying to save up. I'm trying to lose weight. Yo, this year Should I tell you? Let me just tell you, maybe to know what I'm working on. Yo, I'm trying to lose weight so bad for this year. Yeah, I'm trying to lose weight. So I'm gonna be going home to eat lunch. But let me know what you guys be doing, please. Do you be packing lunch? Like, let me know. So I'm gonna take 1 hour break, go home, eat, and take my daughter to get her hair done and come back. And today is Friday. I can stay on this road, yo, as long as I want. So I'm going home. I'm gonna go home until it's no more orders, you know. It's Friday, so let's make this money. It's Friday. Hello. Yo, as soon as I dropped my last one, boom, they give me another one. I was like, should I take it? Should I not? But you, I took y'all. I took that order. $24 and it's going 8 mile. It's 3 drop off. So this is the last one before I go. Let me do this and go in peace. I'm back, y'all. It's 4 and I received an order. $16, shopping for 6 items, and I am going 6 miles. So let's go shop this order. Oh, yo, these apartments. I don't know which one to go, which way to go. Let me come here first. I hate when they're like this, and I'm going 2nd floor. I'm going to double check if this is the, yeah, 1A, so I'm going to 2A. Oh. And this order requires a passcode. So let's go get passcode. It's been a long time I don't get an order that requires passcode. Oh, fuck. You guys, this is a new order. $19. It's going 2 mile. I'm shopping for 16 items. Yo, it's 6 right now. It's 6 p.m. and I just received a big order. It was a big order, but unfortunately it started raining, and it's raining very hard. And I'm not gonna deliver in this rain. It was this order, you guys. $38, 3 drop off for 12 mile. Yo, I know you can see it, right? It's raining so hard. It's raining so hard. I'm not gonna deliver this. So I'm about to end my shift and cancel this order, and yeah, it's gonna be the end of my shift, you guys. So far I have 205. I have 205. If I was going to do this order, it was gonna take us to 244, but it's raining and I do not want to give weight delivering. It's like pouring, y'all. So anyway, Thank you guys for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up so YouTube can push my video to more people. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Support your girl. We almost there, yeah. I'm almost on 1,000 subscribers. So let's keep sharing, let's keep subscribing. You guys, we made 205 today. 205. I told y'all I'm gonna make 200 tonight. If it wasn't for the rain, my goal was to work until it gets slow, but it's running. So anyway, I will see you guys, I think, on Monday. I'm not gonna work this weekend. I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. Thank you so much. Bye guys.